Hi, welcome friends to my channel AZ Network. Today we will connect Power BI with the SQL Server database. So let's get started. First you need your SQL Server name. So click connect, select database engine. So here is your server name, Ctrl+C, copy it, and now let's go to Power BI. So now click get data, click SQL Server. So put your SQL Server name, Control V, and connect. OK. And now it's connected. You see Navigator, it's showing your server and your database. So just select any table from this database you want and click load. So it will be loaded in the Power BI. So I will not click the load because I already loaded the tables in Power BI. So here are the tables. Now if you want to see the data of the table, you go here in the data mode. So here you see the tables. If you see, click the cells, it will show this table data. If you click this one, so all the data is imported from SQL Server to Power BI. Now you can make the report, and anything updated in your database in SQL Server, it will automatically update in the report. So one thing more, you see the relationships are also imported with the data. So you don't have to worry about your relationship between the tables. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.